Embrace collagen as a vital component of your beauty regimen and witness its transformative effects on your overall appearance and confidence. Skin renewal. Skin renewal is a fundamental process that involves shedding old skin cells and generating new ones, resulting in a fresh, radiant complexion. Collagen, a vital protein in the skin, plays a significant role in skin renewal by providing structural support and promoting cell turnover. Let's explore how collagen influences the skin's natural renewal process and discover practical ways to promote skin rejuvenation through collagen support. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity, firmness, and hydration, which is crucial for a healthy skin renewal cycle. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to a slower skin renewal process and visible signs of aging, such as dullness, wrinkles, and sagging skin. You can enhance skin renewal and achieve a youthful complexion by supporting collagen production through skincare routines, treatments, and lifestyle choices. Wrinkle reduction. Collagen is crucial in reducing wrinkles and maintaining youthful skin, making it a key component in any anti-aging skincare routine. Understanding how collagen loss contributes to wrinkle formation is essential for effectively targeting and preventing signs of aging. Microdermabrasion, laser resurfacing, and facial massages can help improve skin texture and firmness by enhancing collagen production. Encouraging viewers to adopt collagen-boosting practices is critical to wrinkle prevention and reduction. Incorporating a healthy diet rich in collagen-boosting nutrients, staying hydrated, protecting the skin from sun damage, and using skincare products that support collagen production are essential to maintaining youthful skin and minimizing wrinkles. By prioritizing collagen-boosting practices in your skincare routine, you can effectively combat wrinkles and achieve a smoother, more radiant complexion. Natural collagen. Apply it in the evening. In the morning, you won't recognize yourself in the mirror. Harnessing the power of natural collagen for overnight skin rejuvenation can lead to transformative effects that leave you looking refreshed and radiant in the morning. Applying collagen at night offers unique benefits for enhanced absorption and repair, making it an essential step in your skincare routine. Our skin undergoes a natural repair and regeneration at night, making it the ideal time to apply collagen for maximum effectiveness. Collagen molecules can penetrate deeply into the skin while you sleep, promoting cell turnover, boosting hydration, and supporting collagen synthesis. This overnight application helps plump up the skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and improve overall skin texture. For overnight collagen application, consider using collagen-infused serums, creams, or masks specifically formulated for nighttime use. Alternatively, you can create DIY treatments using natural ingredients like honey, aloe vera, and essential oils to nourish and replenish your skin while you sleep. Testimonials and visual results can showcase the morning transformation after using collagen overnight, highlighting the rejuvenating effects on the skin. Incorporating natural collagen into your evening skincare routine allows you to wake up to a revitalized complexion that radiates youthfulness and vitality. Embrace the power of natural collagen for overnight skin rejuvenation and experience the magic of waking up to a more radiant version of yourself in the mirror. We encourage you to take action and engage with our content